Photoshop costs $20 a month and it still can't do this one thing. Generate true vector graphics from scratch. This free AI tool does it in seconds. Let me show you. I've been testing ReCraft AI for a while now. I mentioned it briefly in the previous video, but it deserves its own video because what it does is genuinely different from every other AI image tool out there. Most AI image tools generate JPEGs or PNGs, raster images that blur when you zoom in. ReCraft generates vector, scalable graphic that stay perfectly sharp at any size. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between amateur and a professional design work. Quick explanation for anyone who doesn't know the difference, and this matters for what we are about to do. A raster image like JPG is made of pixels. Zoom in far enough and it turns into a blurry mess of colored squares. A vector is made of mass shapes defined by points and curves. So it scales infinitely without ever losing quality. Every professional logo, every icon, every illustration means to be printed large or put on a website is a vector. And until now, making vectors means learning Illustrator or paying a designer. Let's start simple. I'm going to generate a logo from scratch. No design skill, just a text prompt. Watch the right side. In generating multiple vector variations at once. No raster images, actual SVG file I can download and scale to any size. AKA, these kind of logos are really good for a start. After you grow your audience, grow your company, you need to pay a designer to generate what you actually want and maybe recreate that one for you because that's a skill and they learn it for years. Now let me show you something even more useful. Generating a matching set of icons. This is something designers spend hours on, making sure every icon in the set has the same style and weight. Consistent icon sets are genuinely hard to make by hand. This took 20 seconds. One more, a full illustration. This is where ReCraft really separates itself from other free tools. So who is this actually for? If you run a YouTube channel, thumbnails, channel art, icons. If you have a small business, logo, social media graphic, product mockups. If you are a developer, UI icons, app graphics, placeholder illustration, all of it, free in minutes. No design experience needed. To be fair, Photoshop still wins for photo editing, retouching, compositing real images. ReCraft isn't replacing that. But for creating original vector graphics from scratch, Photoshop generally can't do what we just did, and ReCraft does it for free. ReCraft is at recraft.ai, completely free, link in the description. If this video saves you a Photoshop subscription or a freelancer fee, subscribe. I found one free AI tool every week that's worth your time. What should I deep dive next? Tell me in the comments.